Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial videos. With the following video, I will guide you to fix maintenance break in Clash Royale. So if you are seeing a maintenance break in Clash Royale, it usually means that the server are temporarily offline for updates or fixes that are occurring in the app. You can't directly bypass it, but there are steps you can take to make sure that it's not on your end. So the first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you are still connected to Wi-Fi and data and your game is still saying maintenance break, then you just need to make sure to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, which helps you to reset the network settings. So after turning on, simply turn the Wi-Fi back on and try to log into your Clash Royale account. So if it still says maintenance break, then you just need to go on App Store or Play Store of your device and you just need to search the app Clash Royale and check if there is any update available for the game. So if there is any update available, then you just need to click on the option of update to update it on the device. Sometimes maintenance happens to prepare new updates for the Clash Royale, so you won't be able to simply log in like that. So after that, you just need to go on Clash Royale and check if you are still being able to play or not. So if you are still not being able to play, you just need to reinstall the app again by deleting it. So simply delete the app from your device and you just need to reinstall from Play Store or App Store, and you'll be able to fix the maintenance break. So that's it. That's how you can fix the maintenance break in Clash Royale. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.